Now, this little monkey is what you call a hero. Yeah, a monkey saved the life of another monkey who fell unconscious after being electrocuted in India's northern city of Kanpur. The monkey was electrocuted while walking on high-tension wires in the city's railway station. The monkey fell down on the tracks and lost consciousness. While the other monkey came to the rescue, he tried to revive him by hitting, biting and tipping him in water. After more than 20 minutes, the electrocuted monkey showed signs of life and started to move. A crowd then gathered at the railway platform to take pictures and videos of the heroic act.